Today we will talk about such a campaign through which you will be able to earn in a very quick time. This YouTube ad is very popular these days. Today we will see about YouTube's in video or discovery ads. Today we will learn how to run a powerful ad for YouTube. Let's get started. First we'll go Google is coming. Sign into our Google AdSense account. Click on Create a new campaign. We can only run discovery from the Without Goal menu. You can't run discovery ad with brand awareness, lead generation, sales, website traffic if you want. Click on Create a campaign without a goals guidance. Click on Discovery Ad. We will name a campaign. Then we will give the budget. Enter the select campaign date. Targeted location. You provide the location where you want to do a run, so I will run it in UK and USA. Go to Related Video option, Reality Video on your ad or your channel, which is Relative Video. Since I don't watch videos on my YouTube, I took the video from another channel, and from another YouTube channel I mean to show you how to upload in video. Just paste the video link of the video you want to show on your channel here. You must upload some good videos on your channel before doing this, with which you can add in video wherever you are. From the device settings, you can customize the ones you want to show your app on any of your devices. I will keep the ones that are by default. Here you can enter the name of your ad group as per your choice. From demographics, you can select which category of people you will show, a male or female, and show people of any age such as their income. You can select all of them. You decide the demographics according to your target, to whom you will show one and of which age you will show one, and customize it from there. The most important thing for an ad is the target audience. We will select our target audience to whom we want to show one. Target audience we can select from in Market Events Affinity. Also, if we want, we can create audience from audience segment and run ad. We always create custom audiences to get the best results. You should always try to get people who are in your target audience, or create a powerful custom audience for getting repeaters. If you have any questions about how to create a custom audience, the benefits of a custom audience, and how to implement, how to create from audience segments, let us know in the comment box. Keyword research is very important for YouTube and Google Ads. We always recharge our target keywords well and then implement them. If you want to get the best results for your ads, you must research your keywords in the order you want. Now we will give you keywords what is yours, and if already selected, or recharge you words in advance. I will select and feed video ad. After turning on the letter, it will look like this. I will write our desired headlines. Descriptions to be written, you must write a minimum of 2 descriptions. Write the description headlines in your own way. The headline and description of a YouTube ad are critical components of the ad's overall success. The headline and description of a YouTube ad are vital for making a strong first impression, effectively communicating your message, building trust, and encouraging viewer action. Crafting compelling and relevant headlines and descriptions is essential to the success of your YouTube advertising campaign. The most important thing in the case of YouTube ads is to know well about the ad formats. Find out which ads perform best. Skippable and stream ads. These are the ads that play before or during other YouTube videos. Viewers can skip them after 5 seconds. Non-skippable and stream ads. These are shorter ads that viewers cannot skip. Discovery ads. These appear in YouTube search results or as suggested videos on the YouTube homepage. Bumper ads. These are short, non-skippable ads typically under 6 seconds long. We will research them very well, and when we create ad copy, we must create ad copy as recommended by YouTube. CPV, or cost per view, is a key metric in online advertising, particularly on platforms like YouTube. Understanding the importance of CPV can help advertisers make informed decisions and optimize their video ad campaigns. We will select our ad format here. We've finished setting up a YouTube discovery if we want to publish it now. A powerful YouTube ad is created very quickly and in a short time. If this is your first visit to my channel, then definitely subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click on bell icon to get new videos first. And how did you like the video must be told in the comment box. What kind of video you want to get, what kind of video you like. You must tell in the comment box. I will try to upload such video. Everyone stay safe and healthy.